Well, we're on to our next project with the HellHound. We're gonna do a little paint, a little patina paint. Hope it turns out good. Right now we're stripping the fenders on the back fenders, getting them down to bare metal so we can do our patina. But let me show you this little tool here I bought. So you can see it better. Yeah, right down to nothing. That was a whole lot better than the DA. Man. Yeah, I'd buy another one. All right, getting ready to do the painting. Not your pristine paint job, obviously. I mean, we're half in the garage, half outside the garage.
That's a high quality paint booth.
Dirty garage, but hey, it's our paint booth. Well, we're doing the patina paint job. Don't know what we're doing, so don't judge too bad. But we got one fender pretty well done. Getting ready to start the second one. Got a little shaker of rust dust. Got some rust dust on the top. Getting ready to spray it and add some more. So, now we got our rust juice.
That's what it looked like when we started.
Jake's out here helping. Melissa's out here helping. Got our mask on for the spray and the rust dust, all the metal. But it's gonna look pretty good, I think.
Safety features are sponsored by Jude and Dave Folk. Wills.
Wills? Hi, Wills.
Alright, spray her up, bub.
Yeah, spray it up.
Anywhere.
Anywhere you want, everywhere.
All of it.
Let me get the front. I'll spray this stuff on there, shaky stuff on
Well, look, we're doing eggs. Or corn eggs.
there. Spray all sides.
You get it all wet, so then.
Get it all wet. Okay.
Keep spraying everything else.
I'll help spray too.
Yeah.
Nope.
I feel like you said and tried blowing it off my hand.
Huh?
I feel like you said and tried blowing it off my hand onto it.
Yeah. There you go, you're fine. Shoot the side, Jake? No, you don't.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
I think so.
Make sure you get everywhere. You get everywhere down here. Don't miss the edge. Alright guys, we're prepping the cab and the hood. Get ready to do our patina on the cab now. Jake can take you over there and show you the fenders here in a little bit, what they look like now when they've got washed off. I don't know, pretty excited. It's gonna look pretty cool.
Jake's gonna take the design off the door.
No.
Jake's pretty fond of the door.
Yeah, he's upset about it.
We got a bunch of crap laying around, but don't mind that. Truck should be about 200 pounds lighter now. That's all bondo. Truck's been jackknifed or rolled on its side there at one time, and they did a heck of a job bondoing. I mean, I gotta give it to them, because there was bondo in the door. I didn't even know there was bondo in there, but it was bondo from top to bottom, side to side. It was all bondo. Didn't even know it.
Up front and bondo.
There's bondo in here. There's a big dent there. That's why. But yeah, that's why I'm not a fan of shiny paint, because I usually know what's underneath that shiny paint. But we're gonna get it though. Hopefully painting by Friday night. Get it painted, get it rusting, clear it next week maybe. I don't know.
It's gonna be a muddy mess when it rains tomorrow.
Oh my goodness. I hope it rains a lot.
This is why our videos are so slow. We work and only work outside as long as we can with the weather and the daylight, so.
Alright guys, got it painted, got the rust dust on. My rust dust. That's real fine shavings from turning rotors and stuff from our local Napa. Got the paint mixed up from Napa too. My buddy Kyle in there, Kyle and Randy. We're waiting, got everything sprayed down with the rust juice. I didn't know, this is the first time doing it. I didn't know how to do it, so we watched Corey Week Customs. We subscribed to them, and they got a video on how to do it. If you want to see how to do it, that's how we learned. Pretty easy. You just got to go for it. Just letting it soak a little bit more. Spray it again. We'll rub, take a rag, rub around the flat surfaces on the hood and the roof. Try to make it match the fenders best we can. Just do them separate. No, pretty happy with it. What do you think, babe?
I don't know. Take a walk around.
Walk around it. As long as Wills is happy with it, that's all that matters.
That's right. I'm pretty sure he's our #1 fan.
Yep. Mistakes were made. I don't know if I should have used base coat and just went with enamel. But I just got done power washing pretty much all the paint off. That's always nice. So we're back to the drawing board. Gonna strip it again. And we might do a little test piece first, see what happens. Because they really suck. But Melissa will walk around, show you what we got going on.
Can't get far enough away.
So when we say we don't know what we're doing, we don't know what we're doing.